Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Badgerland Birding. Today we are going to take just a quick minute to go over how to create an eBird account. So I think most of the people that follow us probably are familiar with eBird, but just in case there's some people out there that want to know how to do it, we're just going to go through it really quickly. So the first thing that we are going to do is go to ebird.org. And then we will get to this screen where you'll see some options up at the top. So we have sign in or create an account. Since we're making a new one today, we're going to click the create account feature. So I already have my personal eBird account as well as Derek having his personal eBird account, but we today are going to make one for Badgerland Birding specifically. Sometimes a situation arises where we want to compile information from our viewers or people we know in a Badgerland Birding style. So we're going to do that today with this account. So username, you can pretty much make your username whenever you want. A lot of people just have it as their own name, but you could also use something else if you don't want people to necessarily know who you are. But we're going to go Badgerland Birding here. And then password. So then we'll put in our email address, badgerlandbirding@gmail.com, and then we are good to create our account. So let's see if everything works correctly here. Yes, that's correct. So here's what that link looks like to activate your account. So it's just pretty simple with a button. So we'll click activate the account. And now it is going to have us put in some info for address, which I don't think we even need. So we're just going to skip it. And then here we go to our preferences. So this is where you can just decide how your name displays. You could go anonymous again if you don't want people to know. And then how you want the birds to display. So you can just put their common name, or you can go scientific, or you can do both. You can also change the language here if you want a different language. Also, you have here options for you to decide how you want your info to appear, if you want to be in the top 100, if you want to appear on other lists, or if you kind of want to hide it all and keep it to yourself. We're good with having everybody see what stuff we put on here, so we're just going to leave that as is, but we're going to get rid of this. So we'll let people see our checklist comments. So from there, we're going to save and accept. And then here we have our new eBird account, which is fitting that they have the LeConte Sparrow on there because we just did a couple videos involving those. But now we can go ahead and eBird whatever we want to, and then our stats will start showing up here. So we have a brand new Badgerland Birding eBird account. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, we do have a full eBird tutorial and also a few other videos on how to use specific features. So be sure to check those out. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Badgerland Birding.